Audio Jungle.
Parts of the UK have been experiencing heavy rain, flooding and strong winds, with gusts of 61 mph. Storm Bronagh is moving eastwards across Wales and England, with 56. Four millimeters of rain been recorded already in Powys. Flooding has been reported in northern England, and there are at least 30 flood alerts across the UK and 4 warnings. A yellow weather warning for wind is in force until 9 o'clock BST on Friday, and some homes still have no power after it was cut off during Storm Ollie. Two people died when Storm Ollie swept across the British Isles on Wednesday. So far the strongest gust has been recorded at Mumble's Head in Wales. Winds of up to 70 miles per hour could follow, with the strongest winds likely to hit the coast of northeast England in the early hours of Friday morning. Pictures posted on social media have showed vehicles with floodwater up to their bumpers on a road between Sheffield and Rotherham. One video showed a man rescuing an elderly woman from a car that was surrounded by floodwater in Tinsley. East Midlands Trains said there had been severe flooding in Sheffield Station and warned customers to take extra care. Trains were running at a reduced speed, it added. The yellow warning for wind means there is a possibility of damage to buildings, falling trees and branches, and a possible danger to life in parts of England and Wales. Met Office forecaster Simon Partridge said it would be the first time this season that South East England would experience strong winds. The first storm to reach an area each year usually has some fairly significant impacts because all the things you didn't realize were diseased or rusted or whatever, that's the first time you know about it when the first winds arrive, he said. Highways England warned the high winds pose a particular risk to lorry, caravan and motorbike travellers. Storm Ollie, the UK's first named storm of the season, battered the British Isles on Wednesday with winds of up to 100 miles per hour. A woman died after the caravan she was in was blown off a cliff in County Galway in the Irish Republic. A man in his 20s was killed and another in his 40s was injured after a tree fell on them at the gates of Slieve Gullion Forest Park, near Newry, County Armagh. Travel disruption in Scotland and northern England caused by the storm persisted into Thursday, and thousands of homes were without power. One person was injured after being blown over by high winds outside the new V&A Dundee Museum, which was later closed. A pupil at Trinity Primary School in Edinburgh was injured after being hit by a branch in the playground. He was taken to hospital, but his injuries are not life-threatening. 500 cruise passengers and crew were stranded in Greenock after severe weather broke their ship's mooring lines.